The sandy ground can't hold the water, and deadly flash floods tear across the desert. With destruction, the storm also brings life to a thirsty land. Hundreds of spade-foot toads claw their way to the surface. They've been waiting in the parched soil without food or water for 10 months, listening for the sound of thunder. Now, they answer the storm with a roar of their own. Other toads and frogs join the chorus. They're all after the same thing. It's time for spade-foot speed dating. In the frenzy, males can wind up with the wrong species, another male, or a couple already occupied. A whole lot of eggs are about to turn into a whole lot of tadpoles, but they're in a race against the clock. Within 36 hours, they hatch. The tadpoles cram their spiral guts with algae that bloom in their puddle. They need just 8 days to grow into tiny spadefoots, developing faster than any other toad species on Earth. Only those born in a big enough puddle will make it. The odds of survival are 1 in 100. These are the lucky ones. They venture out into the world still sporting their tadpole tails. They'll grow fast on a diet of insects. But for now, they're the smallest kids on the block.